Hey guys, Don here from Adventures This Way. I know I haven't done any really riding videos in a while because, well, yeah, I know you guys have seen this in this state. Well, actually, you know what? It hasn't been in this state in a lot of videos because this thing is just about ready to roll. Basically, I just need to button things up and I'll be able to get it out for a little test ride, break in the new belt, make sure everything's working as it should be.
If you find value in the content, consider subscribing so you do not miss anything. Enjoy the ride.
Alright guys, so that was my first ride with the Sportsman since putting it all back together after the carnage that we had a few weeks back. I'm excited because there's going to be many more rides to come. While we're waiting, why don't you check out this video right here, and I'll see you in the next one.